swimming suit because the old one is torn.
Torn. And then, where we are going to use that swimsuit? We're going to use that in
Philippines.
the Philippines. So, dito na kami sa mall, guys. Yeah. Since our accommodation is having a swimming pool, so we have to get her in swimwear. We have 3 days in Manila. Makapag-swimming si Mishka. Yes, baby. Uncle will take care. Later. Which one? This one. Long sleeve.
This one?
Long sleeve, baby, here. Or this one separate.
This one.
No, she said she wants like skirt like mine. $5 to $6. This one, $5 to $6.
This also is there one, but this is very tight.
This one, $5 to $6, ano?
That is better. 5 to 6 or 6 to 7?
5 to 6.
This is smaller, mommy.
But it's not long sleeve, baby.
Long sleeve, Ishka.
Long sleeve, my love.
Your hand will become black.
That is your father's concern.
This one more color is there, say
Here,
pink.
see pink. See there, here. Backside. Here. Here, daddy. Take this out. This one. Take it out. And so, merong pink and merong green. I think this one is smaller. 6 years old. Or 6.
Bigger.
We have to check. Hello, so cute, ano? Ang cute-cute naman nito. Oh, so cute! Oh my gosh! Pang ilang, 18 months. Super cute.
Which color you want? But one is 6 year, one is 7 year.
We'll try this one, ano? 5 to 6. Just bring this one. Green one.
Go.
Getting this and this. Ang tagal din namin hindi nakapunta dito, so we let her play for 5 minutes.
Don't worry today. So we have not explored the mall. So many malls we will explore.
In Philippines.
Daddy, mommy, then again, say we come here.
Buying some more pasalubong. Waiting for our order. Merong festival na naman, so walang nagtitinda ng chicken.
And worried also. Whole day we have been worried about.
Visa. Update. Visa is not yet approved. We are still waiting for the visa 5 days before our flight. Ang tagal ng approval, guys.
And guys, we like to miss you so much. We like to miss you so much when we are in Philippines.
Why?
We will be meeting.
You'll be meeting them. Nag-ano kami muna, nag-unwind kami sa mall because of so much stress with the visa. Dine-in nila ngayon dito sa Pizza Hut, guys. Naka-plate na sila. It's very hot. So why this one? They did not put in the plate. So ano to, guys? Buy one, get 3 free. So we ordered this veggie fiesta and this fries and garlic bread and Pepsi are all free. Parang 500 plus rupees yung meal na to. You like this? Sweet corn?
Bless you.
What happened? Meron tayong takeaway for the cousins. Si Mami sa pagpintura ng kanyang pot. This is nice color, huh? Pink? Mami, matching. Matching sa kurta ni Mami. And Papa. Papa is also wearing pink. Both of them are wearing pink.
Go मीठे जाओ पिज्जा खा लो
Okay, picnic time. Wow. Where's Anay Baya? Here?
Eating now. And we need to eat. I don't know.
Ask Anay Baya.
Ice cream was gone. Where's ice cream? Ice cream has come here. Why has come? You didn't wake up. So I didn't ask you.
Maya-maya lang, meron kaming bisita na darating. So, I'm going to prepare snacks. Actually, napakita ko na siya sa video namin long time ago, like few months back, na isa siyang Indian na nag-aral sa Pilipinas and taga dito siya sa Patna. Si Priyesh, siya yung Indian na naging kaibigan namin sa gym, na tumira sa Pilipinas, so medyo malapit siya sa mga Filipino. After some time, tatawagan siya ni Abby, nandito ako sa bahay, so they can have coffee. So maghanda lang ako ng snack, so I'm preparing sandwich, paneer sandwich para sa kanya.
Mimi, come Mimi.
Hello.
Hi! You went for gym?
No,
No, he's wearing.
I stayed there only in the library.
Here.
Just doon sa kabila.
This side.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Once
just-
we have to do Chhat Puja, right? Remember?
Ah, okay, near the park.
Yeah.
Oh, we
So,
are near that.
I stayed there only in the library. And my life is now just library and gym. That's all. My exam is like 90
Say hi,
more.
Uncle, say hi.
Ay, naman si Uncle.
Hey, play here only.
My baby, don't cry.
You have to show Uncle your house.
Did you recognize me?
Say hi.
I met you.
Say namaste.
Say naman si Uncle.
Namaste. Diba, makam din, bigyan ng parang meron ko pa tayo na, parang happy over there. There's a big giant inside.
अभी आ रहा है.
warns of possible flight disruptions due to jet fuel.
To make it mine.
Aalis lang na aming bisita and yung visa application nila ni Mishta guys still under initial assessment. So I have tried to send message sa contacts na meron yung mga kaibigan ko. Meron din akong contact dati sa Philippine Embassy kung kanino kami nag-process ng report of birth and report of marriage. So nag-message ako sa kanila. 3 yung sinendan ko ng message sa WhatsApp. So sabi ko na we have applied, we have submitted our application nung March 10 pa. Ngayong Monday na yung aming flight. And nag-reply naman sila na mag-email sa email address na to. So I'm going to send email na if they can assist me na mapa-expedite yung visa application. So actually, when I posted the video that Abhi was applying for a visa and then we are waiting for the visa approval, there are comments na nagsasabi sa akin that we can avail or we can apply for the Balikbayan visa or the Balikbayan privilege for Filipino citizen na merong asawang Indian or children nila is Indian national. So, you just have to present your report of marriage or report of birth or yung marriage certificate or birth certificate. Hindi ko na siya naisip actually itong balikbayan visa na to because 4 years back nung nag-bakasyon kami ni Mishka sa Pilipinas, I have already heard about this balikbayan visa. Children or spouse of a Filipino citizen can avail this balikbayan visa na free stay in the Philippines for 1 year. I have inquired at the immigration if I can avail this balikbayan visa for my daughter since we wanted to stay long in the Philippines, and that time Mishka's visa validity is only for 59 days, and at that time I wanted to spend a long vacation in the Philippines since Mishka was still a baby, and that was the first time that I am coming home to the Philippines na meron na akong anak. So I have inquired about this balikbayan visa at the immigration, and the immigration officer told me that it is not applicable for Indian nationals or for Indian passport holders. So after that, na-dismiss na siya sa utak ko that okay, this balikbayan visa is not for Indian nationals. So there is no possible way that we can have this 1 year of free stay in the Philippines para sa aking anak and para sa aking asawa. Then when I posted the vlog about us waiting for the visa approval, there are some of our viewers who commented about the balikbayan visa, and I kept on searching regarding balikbayan visa. It will really be a good substitute for a regular visa since yung regular visa, guys, you are allowed yung maximum na stay or maximum validity that they will give is 59 days. Then after 59 days, you have to renew your visa or extend your visa, and that will cost you more. Kasi yung kay Mishka, nagpa-renew ako dati 2 months additional or extension sa kanyang visa. It cost me around parang 6,000 ata, 6,000 pesos. 6,000, tama ba? Around that amount. So medyo costly yung magpa-extend ng visa sa Pilipinas. But if we are going to avail this balikbayan visa, we can stay longer in the Philippines. We don't need to pay for visa extension. And it's easier, like whenever we want to travel to Philippines, like for example, now, we cannot really travel anytime we want because our daughter is already studying. We have to take in consideration her classes. But anytime, like for example, there are special events or occasions in the Philippines or like emergency, we can just travel quickly if this balikbayan visa will be granted for my daughter and my husband. So I have searched, and they said that this balikbayan visa or privilege for a spouse of a Filipino citizen has been there for a long time already, and it's available for Indian nationals. So once we arrive in the Philippines at the immigration office, I am going to inquire about this balikbayan visa, guys, na free stay for 1 year in the Philippines for my husband and daughter. So this might be another option for us to stay longer in the Philippines. But as of now, we have to push through with our visa processing just to make sure that we have a smooth entry in the Philippines, just in case this balikbayan visa won't be granted to us. And now they have given me the email address to where I can send my inquiry regarding the visa application. I'm going to send the email. Hopefully tomorrow they will see the email and they will respond because we only have 5 days. So anyway guys, kahit wala pa yung ating visa approval, i-push pa rin natin na kumpletuhin yung ating bagahe. We're still hopeful. Anyway, 5 days more pa naman. Meron tayong 5 days pa naman na maghintay. So we got her a new swimsuit. Ayan.
Papa, you're not a swimsuit.
That's daddy's pants.
Papa,
Kasi luma na yung swimsuit niya na ginagamit, and she has used that for 4 years. Na ano na siya, nagisi. Yung cut, na torn na siya ba sa likuran. Kailangan niya ng bagong swimsuit. Actually, pang ano na to 8 years old para medyo matagal niya magamit. And yung length niya, perfect to kay Mishka, guys. Malaking size na yung pinipili namin sa kanya. Tapos ito, pants ni Abhe. Maganda kasi yung kulay. Ayan. Parang casual na pants na you can also use for the gym. Actually, gym pants siya na pwede pang casual na gamit. And eto, yung laman nito ay mga pasalubong na for family and friends. Tinapos namin yung sa mga pasabay. Tapos meron lang ditong ibang kulang. Konti na lang. But the rest ay ano na to. Para sa pamilya and friends. Again, chicken biryani mix. Meron na kaming first batch na nasa bagahe na. Ito pang additional na lang to guys. Another panipuri. Ito, potato papad. Good luck na lang sa potato papad. Hopefully, hindi siya ganun mabugbog sarado sa loob ng bagahe. Another panipuri. And then sweets. So, 1 papri. And ito, bel puri. Wala yung packet na bel puri. And meron kaming order ng bel puri. So, ito na lang yung para sa kanya. Meat masala. Additional na masala. Kitchen King. And then ito. Snacks. Ulit. And then ito. Yoga bars. Kasi ano lang siya guys. Buy one get one. So, mas nakasave kami. So, 50% off. Breakfast protein bars and multigrain energy bars. Actually, it's pricey. Galing. 380.
Online price full.
Cool. I can smell the strawberry.
6 grams of protein. 6 grams of protein I will do.
There are small pieces also. Protein mini.
This
Yoga
4 grams
bar.
protein.
Breakfast protein. How many? Let me try.
Well, good, huh? Kind of like
Craving satisfied.
if you're having cravings for sweet, that is also satisfied, and
You got protein.
you are not eating that much junk also. Like at least if it is mentioned 4 grams of protein, so something is good.
Yeah.
Wait, the bill, how much this was?
Please like our channel, subscribe.